Hi, welcome to the video Configure HTTPS on localhost for a Spring Boot application with self-signed certificate. I am Nam Haming from codejava.net. In details, I will show you how to generate a SSL self-signed certificate using the keytool in Java, and then how to enable HTTPS for a Spring Boot application, and then install the self-signed certificate on local computer. You see, I'm developing a web application on localhost, and this is how it looks like in a browser here. This is a Shopee e-commerce website, and in the URL you can see the URL is localhost/shopee, and the connection is not secure. This warning message displayed by the browser, indicating that the connection to the server is not secure. And this is a code in IDE. You see, this web application is being developed based on Java Spring Boot, and this is a Spring application configuration file. The embedded Tomcat server is configured to be listening on the port number 80 here. Now let's open a new command prompt window and type keytool. And if you set up your system environment variable for Java properly, you should see this key and certificate management tool syntax. You see, this key tool is available in the bin folder of JDK. Let me see the JDK directory on my computer. You see, I'm using OpenJDK version 15. And let me see the content of the bin directory. You see the key tool here. This is a key tool program, a key and certificate management tool provided by Java Development Kit JDK. Let me create a new directory using this command SSL and change the current directory to the new directory SSL, and create a subdirectory self-signed. Okay, and now type the command keytool -gen key pair to generate a key pair of public and private keys to be used for SSL certificate, and specify the alias or the unique name of the key pair is local_SSL. You can assign any name for this alias, and then the key algorithm is RSA, which is a common cryptography algorithm, and then specify the key size is 2048 bits, and then specify the file format of the Keystore file. Store type is the common format PKCS12, and then specify the Keystore, which is a file name. I give the name is local-ssl.p12. p12 is an extension of the PKCS12 file format, and then specify the validation time with this flag validity, and number of days is 365 days, which is about 1 year, and specify the extension like this extension san equal DNS and localhost for SSL certificate using on localhost, and hit enter, and then specify the Keystore password and retype the password, and specify some information, first name and last name, localhost, development, city San Francisco, state California, US, and type yes to confirm this information. Okay, so we have successfully generated a key pair using RSA algorithm with key size is 2048 bits. It is a self-signed certificate. And you see the Keystore file generated here, the local ssl.p12 file here, and open this directory in Windows Explorer. Start. You see, this is a key pair store file for SSL digital certificate. Okay, and copy this p12 file into the project here, into the resources directory of the project here. Paste. You see, so we have the certificate file here, p12 file, and now restart the and now we need to configure the Spring Boot application configuration file here for enabling SSL, enabling HTTPS. And before that, let's stop the application and update the port number for SSL here is 443, which is the port number for HTTPS. And under server here specifies the property SSL enable equal true, and specifies the key alias, which is local -SSL, and Keystore. We use the prefix class path because we have the Keystore file here. Copy the file name here, and then specify the Keystore file format. Keystore type is pkcs12, and specify the Keystore password, key password, and Keystore password is the same. Okay, so this is Spring Boot configuration for enabling SSL. And let's start the application. You see, we got the exception Keystore password is incorrect. Let me check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and start again. Alias name does not identify a key entry. Let me check alias name. Alias name is local_SSL, and start again. This time it should work. Okay, you see the Spring Boot application has started successfully, and you see in the console view here, Tomcat started on port 443 HTTPS with the context path is /showme. So far so good. Now let's switch to the browser and refresh the web application here. Change the URL to HTTPS /localhost/showme to access the web application via SSL, and hit enter. You see, we got an error from the browser here. The connection is not private, and the error is short authority invalid. It is because the self-signed certificate is not trusted by the browser. So the next step is to install the self-signed certificate on this computer. Now in the command prompt, type this command to export a certificate from the Keystore file. So type keytool -export Keystore and the Keystore file name, which is local ssl.p12 here, and specify the alias name is local underscore ssl, and stores the generated certificate file is local cert.crt, and enter the password. Okay, done, and it has generated the certificate file stored in this file local cert.crt. You can see the certificate file here, local cert.crt, and you can see in Windows Explorer here. You see local cert, and right click install certificate. Okay, click next, and you need to place this certificate in the trusted root certification authorities here, and click next and finish. And when see this security warning, click yes to install this certificate. You see the import was successful, and now we can close the browser, open the browser again, and access the web application again. Okay, type HTTPS localhost/shop.me, and you see the padlock icon appears next to the URL here. Click, and you see the connection is secured and the certificate is valid. Click to see the details of the certificate. Here you see issue to Namha here, and you see it is valid from today to 1 year later here. You see valid to September the 1st 2022. To sum up, the command for generating a key pair using the keytool in Java is like this. Note that you must specify the extension ext send equal DNS localhost here, so the self-signed certificate will be trusted by the browser. And the command to export certificate from the Keystore file is like this. And configure the Spring Boot application to enable HTTPS is like this, you see. And you must install the self-signed certificate to the trusted root certification authorities. So far, you have learned how to configure HTTPS or secure connection on localhost for a Spring Boot application using self-signed certificate. I hope you will find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.